This portable car heater can quickly heat the air in the car without waiting for the engine to warm up. It adopts heat-resistant hard plastic material, which is thickened and lengthened with pure copper cable. It can be fixed on the anti-skid pad or fixed with double-sided adhesive. The 360 degrees rotary holder is designed for free adjustment, which is very convenient and practical. It uses the car's cigarette lighter socket, allowing you to quickly and efficiently defrost or defog the window. Switch for choosing either fan or heater mode, dual use. It can not only quickly solve the car glass fog, but also used as a fan to cool you in the summer. Full grid vents, fixed air outlets, so that the warm air is more direct and thorough. You can get the portable car heater through the link in the description below. That is all. Thanks for watching.